How to tell if you have Nintendo Switch version 1 or version 2. First of all, let me head over to the article of Pocket linked. This article will help you find out if you have the version 1 or version 2 of Nintendo Switch. Once you are in here, scroll all the way down. Right here you'll see it says Old Nintendo Switch versus New Switch. A good while back, Nintendo quietly released a new Nintendo Switch, but it was a refresh of the old model, rather than a full-blown. We have now got the Switch Old as well. So to find out about that model and differences between it and the normal Switch, you have to check out this article. Now once again scroll down and here it says, Original Nintendo Switch model start with the letter SAC. Additionally, when holding the new Nintendo Switch in your hand, check the model number on the back. The new Nintendo Switch has a number that should read HAC-001 bracket -01, while the original has the model number of HAC-001. Once you check this out, you'll automatically know if you have the version 1 or version 2 of Nintendo Switch. If not, you can also check out the packaging. Look at the box containing the Switch. The packaging for the new Nintendo Switch has a bright red background, and the packaging for the old Nintendo Switch has a grey background with a hand. This way, you will be able to find out if you have the Nintendo Switch version 1 or version 2. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.